So hello guys, today we are doing an unboxing video. Don't worry about the sounds. My family's playing something. So time to open Moana 2 set. If you have not watched Moana 2. So Moana has got a little sister and they're like besties. So we're gonna start opening it. But I'm going to be talking through it, not like other people. They just open it. So, if you see, it's just like this. So we are going to be opening it. And here I got some scissors. If you're not allowed to have scissors, just don't use scissors. Okay, we got this thing off. It has Moana on it. Literally Moana. Please tell me what is on her sister's foot. Well, first we're gonna start cutting the thing over here. We cutted that. Gotta be careful. Gotta this one harder. Gotta try not cutting. There. Got that. But there's still straps. And I have to cut it through. See the chicken. I'll be very careful. I'll be very careful. Okay, I did. I got one strap from her. Okay, I got that. But there's still some of this stuff. Got that. Got that one. Let's try the harder one. Okay, I got that. But there's one at her neck. We almost have her done, but we still have the little sis to go. Okay, why is there straps? I don't know where this last strap is, but I know there's something on the back. Okay. Trying to get that one. So hard. Let's throw this thing away. I don't know if I should cut this part because it looks like it should stay. What? Oh yeah, it's supposed to stay. Okay, got her necklace off a little bit. You don't know how hard it is to do this stuff. Gotta get that one little strap. That one little strap. There, I got it. Is Moana free yet? Nope, she is still tied to this. You don't know how hard this is. Did not cut her hair. I'm going to be right back. So we are back in action. So I already got the mount. This is Moana. Pretty nice. And this is little sis to Moana. What's this? I love this part right here. See it? So funny. Like, now let's open where this chicken is. I'm not calling it a chicken, but it is a chicken. Not like the chicken that you call people, the other chicken. I don't know how these scissors can cut through this. Ugh. Ugh. I'm really scared. The high MCs will become me. I don't know where we go. And I want you to see to become me. I don't know where I go. I want you to see to become me. I don't know where they go. I want them to see to. Please tell me why this is so hard. I may have to cut through this. I have to. Little sis. Why is it so hard to get a chicken out? This chicken out. Oh, there, I got the chicken out. Put the chicken like there, you cannot see him. Next up we have the big bowl that I cannot get out. But can we admire Moana's little sister? Way too cute. Look at that little curl right there. So cute. I'll be right back, guys. So we are back, and I have but I got some help to open this. So now we're gonna make an action lesson. Please do not make fun of it. And the next video. So time to do that. And bye guys, have a good day.